Let's study 9th Standard ICSE English Literature, Story 5, A Face in the Dark by Ruskin Bond. It's a very mysterious story, the ending bordering on the supernatural. The story starts with the protagonist, Mr. Oliver, returning from the Simla market to his school. This Simla University school is very popular. It's called the Eton of the East. It was run along the same lines as the public schools in UK. And rich kids would study here. They would wear blazers and caps. Mr. Oliver was a bachelor. He would often walk through the pine forest, which was a shorter route to go to his school. He wasn't scared of anything because he didn't believe in any superstitions or ghosts. He was alone. He was a very rational person, or so it seemed. Now, he saw a boy, a student of his school, crying, sitting on a rock, the pine forest. The environment was eerie with the pine trees swaying in the breeze, and his torchlight was flickering. Maybe the battery was coming to an end. And he couldn't even hear the sobs. Through the movement of the boy, he saw that he was crying. At first he was a little angry because the boys were not allowed to get out of school so late. But then he was concerned about him, and so he asked him who he was, what was he doing here, but there was no response. The boy's face was in his hand, so Oliver could not see him. But on further request, finally the boy looked up at him, and Oliver's torch beam fell on the face, and he was shocked to see that the face was faceless. That means it had no features, no eyes, no nose, no mouth, nothing. It was just blank. Obviously he got very scared, and he just ran away from there. He dashed, and he even dropped his torch. He just wanted to escape. Now, we're not sure if this was a prank played by the kids or was he hallucinating. If somebody's stressed out and lonely for a long time, you may imagine things. But what is more mysterious is that once he reached the school and he bumped into the watchman and he narrated the incident to the watchman raised his lantern towards his face. And in that light, the protagonist, Oliver, could see that even the watchman's face was totally blank. The watchman asked him, "Did you see a face similar to mine?" Without any features. And that's when the lamp in the lantern, it was put off by the wind. And there was complete darkness. So what happens next is unknown. It's left to the readers to use their imagination. So here Ruskin Bond has multiple layers of meaning. He has presented a supernatural story, which could have been a prank also. But there is somewhere a message here. When we are lonely, we see faceless faces. Hi students, this is AJ sir. If you like this video, press the like button. If you would like to enroll for my online test series or online lectures, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.